Frohe Weihnachten, Ran. It is Christmas, and I am Hans, and I will be show you how to cook traditional Christmas meal. Pan, stove, cover yourself in oil. Heat up until oil is runny. Slap on the Christmas ham. Do not burn yourself on the oil because heat is hot. Get. Wow. Season. Get plate. Oh. Turn off heat. No more fire. Put on plate very carefully. Put honey. Now you are consumed. Wow, this is incredible. This has been Cooking with Hans. Merry Christmas. Alright guys, so the power went out in the Zafira bunker, and I need to figure out what is going on. This is pretty crazy, guys. Oh, what was that? Guys, I'm hearing things. Someone has infiltrated the bunker. The dirty communist is here. Show yourself. I know that dirty commie is around here somewhere. He can't hide from me forever. What have I done? No. It's a fake. It's a fraud. No.